Welcome to my vlog about the top tips for staying at the CitizenM Tower of London Hotel. Duchess DJ Love is a vibrant world traveler, caregiver, and advocate who shares her adventures and wisdom with a touch of southern charm. Located in the heart of the city, this hotel is perfect for both business and leisure. Upon arrival, you will be greeted by friendly staff who will make you feel right at home. The hotel boasts modern and stylish interiors, comfortable and cozy rooms for you to relax in. Each room is equipped with a smart tablet that allows you to control the room's lighting, temperature, and entertainment. Make sure to take advantage of the free Wi-Fi throughout the hotel to stay connected during the stay. Start your day off right with a delicious breakfast at the hotel's canteen, offering a wide range of options. The hotel's rooftop bar is a must-visit, offering stunning views of the Tower of London and the city skyline. The bar serves a variety of drinks, including signature cocktails, and creates a vibrant atmosphere. CitizenM Hotel's Gym Box. If you're a history buff, take advantage of the hotel's location and explore the nearby Tower of London. The hotel is conveniently located near public transportation, making it easy to explore other parts of the city. Guests can enjoy 24-hour access to the hotel's self-service bar and grab-and-go food options. CitizenM Tower of London Hotel offers excellent value for the money, with affordable rates considering its prime location. The hotel staff is available 24/7 to assist you with any inquiries or requests you may have. The rooms are soundproof, ensuring a peaceful and restful night's sleep during your stay. The hotel's interior is designed with a contemporary minimalist style, creating a welcoming atmosphere. Don't forget to check out the hotel's library, a quiet space where you can relax with a good book. Duchess DJ Love's first book, Travel Tude, a 30-day trip tips gratitude devotional, is available on Amazon. CitizenM's unique concept focuses on providing a comfortable and efficient experience for all guests. CitizenM Tower of London Hotel is committed to sustainability and minimizing its environmental impact. Experience the vibrant and bustling atmosphere of the city, just steps away from the hotel's doorstep. The hotel offers a range of amenities, including toiletries, hairdryers, and a rain shower in every room. The hotel's lounges are perfect for meeting fellow travelers or catching up on work. Immerse yourself in the local culture by exploring the nearby markets, restaurants, and attractions. Travel with Duchess DJ Love, gallivanting like a royal on a budget, sharing love and experiences. CitizenM's multilingual staff will ensure that communication is never a barrier during your stay. Relax and unwind in the hotel's comfortable lounge areas after a long day of exploring. Guests can enjoy a selection of premium teas and coffee at the hotel's barista station. The self-check-in and check-out kiosks make the process quick and hassle-free. For those traveling on business, the hotel offers flexible meeting and event spaces. Stay connected with the hotel's mobile app, allowing you to control various aspects of your stay. Duchess DJ Love aims to release a new video every week, from travel inspiration to making your money work for you tips. CitizenM's staff is knowledgeable about the local area and can provide recommendations for nearby attractions. Experience the innovative design and technology that sets CitizenM Tower of London apart from others. Whether you're traveling for business or leisure, this hotel provides a comfortable and memorable stay. If you found my CitizenM Tower of London review beneficial, then please comment, like, share and subscribe. Book your stay at the CitizenM Tower of London Hotel for a truly unique and enjoyable experience.